Welcome back everybody to day 6 of Vlogmas, and today we are going to be making Pinecone Bird Feeders. So we have our pine cones, we have some peanut butter, we have bird seed, and we also have our ribbon. Girls, are you ready to make some Pinecone Bird Feeders?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do it. What are you doing? Are you cleaning your hands? Does it taste good?
I need some.
Alright, so we have all of our pine cones covered with peanut butter. Some of the peanut butter got eaten in the process. And now we're going to roll them in bird seed. Who wants a peanut butter spoon?
Me!
Alright, go ahead.
So now I'm just tying ribbons, and I was going to put the ribbon on before we put the peanut butter, just because this part is a little bit harder once the peanut butter and birdseed is stuck to it, but I didn't think it would work to have the ribbon going through the peanut butter and birdseed. And we made these last year, and it did take a while for the birds to come and eat off of the pine cones. So we will see in the next couple of weeks if they come. But when they came and finally ate the birdseed, it was very exciting to see. And they cleaned the pine cones.
Yeah.
So.
Literally. Clean.
And we only had, I think we only had 3 pine cones last year. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pine cones.
So girls, how was that?
Good.
You had fun? Is your peanut butter good? It's probably a lot easier to eat off of a spoon than a hand. Huh, Amelie? You like peanut butter?
She loves peanut butter.
Now that we're done making our pinecone bird feeders, we're going to go outside and we're going to hang them on our tree. We're going to keep our eyes peeled to see when the birds show up. It might take a little bit of time, but that's okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little Vlogmas video we put together. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up to let us know. And we look forward to bringing you guys some more Vlogmas videos for the rest of the month. Bye!